So I'm going to be demonstrating one of the intermediate requirements, that is RINT3, that if the system alarms immediately if the artifact is disturbed, whether the system is armed or not. So I'm just going to reset the system here. So the system powers up in a disarmed state. This LED shows the disarmed state. The green LED is basically the PIR, motion sensor detecting me. So if the artifact is to be removed at this state, it would straight away go to an alarmed state. So this LED indicates the alarmed state. System is alarmed. And now I'm just going to put this back on. I'm going to disarm. So the system is disarmed again. Now I'm going to demonstrate that if the correct code was entered and then the artifact was removed. So I'm going to arm the system. System will arm in 15 seconds. Gives a 15-second timeout. Okay, the system is armed. This LED shows the system is armed. And now I'm just going to add the correct code, because the PIR sensor detected me inside the room. So I'm just going to enter the correct code here. And the system is disarmed again. Now if someone was to remove the artifact now, the system is alarmed again. Okay. So the next demonstration is if the artifact was removed without entering the correct code, would it go to an alarm state or not? So I'm just going to arm the system again. It gives me a 15-second timeout. So system is armed. This LED turned on, showing that the system is armed. And the PIR sensor has detected me inside the room. And now if I were to remove the sensor without entering the correct code, how would that go? So the system is alarmed. So that was the intermediate requirement. Disarm the system again.